Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time frame zone you are watching me. This is your girl Issa Chike, streaming live from Melbourne, Australia, Victoria. How are you guys doing? Sorry, I've not been on for some time because I was thinking of a very good video to make. So this my channel is basically on lifestyle, vlogs, teaching tips, health tips, relationship and matters, and whatsoever that will be beneficial to my viewers. So don't fail to subscribe and share. So today let's dive straight into this video. I know that this video will be helpful to somebody out there. So today, in today's topic, I tagged it the friendship that you don't need to joke with. Yes, in the journey of our life, we need people that we call friends, true friends, that will help us in the journey of our life. The kind of world that we live, the kind of world that we find ourselves to, we cannot do without having to deal with our fellow human beings. But we are always praying for that destiny helper. We are always praying for that real friendship that will take us to our next levels, that will take us to our glorious destiny. So in this video, I will open your eyes so that you know the kind of persons that you call your real friends. We have different kinds of friendship. A lot of people misquote friendship. We have ceremonial friends, we have best friends, we have different type of friendship. Yes. So but in today's video, I just want to tag my own, those real friends that can help to take you to another next level, that will help you to take you to your glorious destiny. So a real friend or a true friendship is someone who has your back no matter what. So in this video, I'm going to spotlight the kind of friends that you need to have. Number one is a loyal best friend. This kind of friendship is non-judgmental. This kind of friendship can help to keep your secrets confidential. This kind of best friend can still love you no matter what, no matter the kind of challenge that you pass through. That kind of friend can still be there for you, whether in the morning or in the night, whether in the hot season or in the cold season. Okay, so another second type of friendship that you need to have is a fearless adventure. You know the kind of world that we are living, the world is like a global village. The world that we live is a very big world. For example, in this Australia that I am now, it's like a multicultural nation that you find different type of people with different language differences, with different cultures, with different attributes. So where there are so many places to see people, you meet different kind of people. So an adventurous friend will pull you out of your shell. That adventurous person will help you in your journey of your life. Okay, so that person that you call a friend, like the class of friend that is a fearless adventurer, the person does not fear any outcome of anything. The person is always on a journey to make it. So if you have that kind of friendship, that kind of friendship will always pull you together. When that kind of friend is moving, the person will want the best of you. The person will want you to make it as he or she is making it. So that's the kind of friend that I'm talking about here. So they will help you to grow. Another type of friend is a brutally honest confident. This kind of friendship, they don't you need to hear the harsh truth. They don't fear their friendship. They don't fear what the outcome of the friendship. They always stand on that truth no matter what. That they don't fear to tell you the truth when you are not doing the right thing. That kind of friendship will always stand to correct you. Okay, so but a lot of people, that when you correct them, from there they will just stop the relationship. No. So this kind of class of brutally honest confidence, they're always confident to tell you the truth when you are not going to, when when you are going through the wrong path, they will always call you to order. Okay, so that's the kind of class of friends that I'm talking about here. If you have somebody who is brutally honest with you in constructive way, hold on to that kind of friend, because they are scarce. There's some type of friends that you will have, even if you are doing the wrong thing, they will not even talk, so that they will not have issues with you. But this type of friendship, they will always tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. They don't even fear whether you quit the relationship, but at the end of the day, you will still find out that those kind of friends is so scarce to find. Okay, so another kind of friendship is a wise mentor. A wise mentor is somebody that knows more of you, that knows more than you. Sorry, is the kind of a wise mentor is somebody that you look onto, somebody that knows more than you do. That person can be your pastor, that person can be an empowerment coach, that person can be any person that you look onto. Okay, it's like a wise mentor for you. You follow the rightful footpath of that kind of a person, and when you target your own life, things will just become productive, because that kind of wise mentor is saying the truth and living that kind of truth. So when you follow that footpath, all that you see is a positive result. So it's good to have a wise mentor as a friend. The person may not really be your own brother or sister, the person may not be a close pal to you, okay, but maybe along the line you people can just get along with each other, but the person is somebody that you will look onto. So that's the kind of friendship I'm talking about. Then another kind of friend is a friend from different culture, like in Australia here, it's like a multicultural country, people from different background, people with different beliefs, people with different culture, people with different language, and people with different religion. They come together to make up a country, and the country still accommodate whether white or black. So that's what we are talking about here. So a friend from different culture, if everyone accommodates everybody all genuinely, the world will be like a global village. The world will be a good place to stay with. But because of we are having that different, we are not involving stereotype, we need to explore to know more about this kind of friendship. A friend from different culture, you need to understand their custom, their tradition. If you find yourself having that kind of friendship, you need to mingle along with them, okay, to study about their culture and tradition, so that at the end of the day, if it happens that maybe that kind of friendship is aligning with you, so that you will not be feeling cheated, that maybe if it's maybe for example something about language and you don't know more about that, just try to know those simple basic ones, so that when they are communicating with you, you can be able to understand them better. Okay, so we have another class of friendship, which is a polar opposites. So in this kind of friendship, instead of you to sometimes align yourself with like-minded people, this kind of friendship, you can go out of that your comfort zone to look out for this kind of friends. Yes, so they will help to open your eyes to different worldviews, and you will learn to accept people who don't see the world exactly the way you see it, because as our faces differs is how we are. So in this kind of polar opposite friendship, they may not think alike with you, but no man is perfect. So when you explore to know this kind of friendship, you have to go out of your comfort zone. Okay, they may not be like-minded persons like you, but you just this kind of thing, kind of friendship will help you to explore. It will help you to learn more about those kind of people, okay, to know how to mingle about with them. They may not be exactly the same mindset with you, but when you study more about them, you can find out that things will begin to work in alignment with you and them. Then there's another kind of friendship, which is a friendly neighbor. Why it's good to have a friendly neighbor? Let me say, maybe you might be going to somewhere, or maybe you are going for a walk and you couldn't beat with the time. Your friendly neighbor can help you to assist you to bring your children back from school. Though we have toxic neighbors because of the kind of world we are living in, but there are still good people outside there. So when you are sensitive, when you are sensitive and you are able to choose wisely a good neighbor, yes, you will enjoy that friendship. It doesn't matter whether the person has the same connection with you. It doesn't matter whether the person is from your tribe. It doesn't really matter whether the person is from your family. Yes, a good neighbor is a good neighbor. So that's what we are talking about. Then we have another kind of last friendship which I'm talking about. Is like a work pal. Most especially in this part of the world that we are, some people might just go for their own leave, like maybe if it's paternity leave or maternity leave. They will not even know what is going on in their workplace. That your work pal can give you details or download of what is happening there, so that just to keep you updated, even if your presence is not there. So sometimes they will help to motivate you so that you will not get depressed. So they're just there to give you an update of what is happening in your work environment. So that's what we are talking about. That's what I am talking about here. So it is very, very important for us to know the kind of friends that we keep, that will help us to not to make mistakes, that will help us in our glorious destiny, because this life that we are is like a journey. So if you mingle with the wrong people, it will affect you in a negative way. But if you mingle with the positive, like-minded people, it will lead you to a glorious destiny. Okay, so another kind of good friendship again that is so important is people that do things that are yoked believers. That is why the Bible said that we should not yoke with an unbeliever. So it's very, very good for you to be able, as a Christian, for you to still share the same yoke with those believers, because those believers will help to remind you to read your Bibles. Those believers will still help you to dwell on that positive aspect of life. Those believers will still help you to remind you, no matter the kind of challenge that you're going through, they will always remind you of what the Word of God says. So that's it. The most best friend that somebody could have is somebody that can even lead you to Christ. So it's very, very important. With all this kind of friendship that I've spotlighted, they will help you in one way or the other, to help even in your challenging situation. They will be there for you. Because there are some friends that in your challenging situation, they will run away. You will not even see them again. But when things turn out to become good, they will come back again. So those kind of friendship, they're not steady, they're not stable, they're not constant, they're not consistent. So that's what I'm talking about. Hope this video will help out somebody there. So don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't fail to share my videos. Help to give me a like and help to subscribe. So I love you all. See you all in my next video. Bye.